Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Pepe update today. 5 more days to close the private. If you want to be a part of it, do message me on AdamCoins_ to be a part of the private. So whenever I'm trading, you can get to trade as well. And back into Pepe, a lot of people may actually see this. I don't know if you can look at it, but this is a very clear head and shoulders at the moment. Yeah, so that's the head and shoulder that I can actually see. You can see this is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder at the moment. And Pepe has been struggling to actually get above this price. You can see that it's being rejected at the moment. You can finally find that you've been moving down, went up, rejection here, moved down, went up, rejection, moved down, went up, another rejection. And then you have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder as well. Now, I do personally believe that if Pepe is looking to break above all of these levels here and ever makes it all the way back to 1466, 1448, or let's say nearly 1500, then you're really good to move even way more higher. You're going to see Pepe actually continue to move to the upside. So I'm going to keep it very simple, and let's actually draw the neckline. So the head and shoulder is not in play. Keep that in mind. Yes, the pattern is there, but the break isn't. So what we need is to look at this in the following way. You have this upper resistance and you have the head and shoulder itself. When you combine this upper resistance and this lower support, you're actually going to find these two lines being perpendicular right over there. So the two lines are going to meet, and you are looking for a move down sideways like this, and then probably push down, go to the technical target, or just break above and don't really go to the downside, right? So it really depends on where you are going to break above. That's the first thing. Secondly, let's look at what the technical target is going to be. And if I take the top to the bottom right there, you have Pepe that is looking to really come down to 593 if this head and shoulders does actually play out. What I'm going to do is actually bring in the logarithmic scale once again, or maybe just open up the Binance chart. So let's go to the Binance chart and let's remove all the drawings at the moment. And on the Binance as well, it's pretty much the same. Let's bring in the logarithmic scale, and we're going to take this from there to there. And by the way, if you don't know what logarithmic scale does, all these details are on the trading course. You may actually find this very useful if you're serious about trading. It's the Pirate Trader. 19 hours of content. You can learn a lot about trading. So from there, you may actually see Pepe to 6440. Okay, that's the technical target that Pepe may be looking forward to, and that's also where the last time, Pepe really came down to it. So it would even make sense to come and touch that 5,000 area and take a lot of stop losses that may have been placed right over there. Now, don't even come at me. This is your, this is a pattern, right? So this is a pattern, and it's known as head and shoulders. So let's actually search head and shoulders pattern. Let's go into the images. And you can see it pretty much looks like this, and that's just what you have to be really careful about. And this is how I may actually give you the future peek at what's going to happen. So it looks something like this, and in the future you actually drop down very badly. That's very similar right now. Okay, so in the future this is potential direction, of course. So that's it for this quick update on Pepe. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.